Here I have HTC Desire 22 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then go to the network and internet, hotspot and tethering, Wi-Fi hotspot. Here you can enable your hotspot, here you can change its name, here you can display QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot, here you can change security protocol, here you can change its password, you can also change its AP band, and you can set it to turn off automatically when no devices are connected, which could be useful in order to save battery. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.